I'm Oribel Joy Divine, a teacher, guide, and telepathic communicator. New Lemuria Spiritual Center has exciting events lined up for you in December. All my scheduled in-person group workshops are also made available as a private tutorial online via Zoom. So if you live outside Singapore, you're not missing out. Please enjoy exploring December's events. I look forward to meeting you in person or online. The first Saturday on December 3rd, take a walk with nature in the Singapore Botanic Gardens. I will show you how to meet, greet, and welcome nature into your life. You'll do exercises with trees, learn about the magic of water, give thanks to Mother Earth, experience greeting the sun, and more. Send group healing energies to animals and plants. This fun-filled event is 1.5 hours long and takes place in Singapore's favorite garden and is for all ages. Sign up for it and come join me in the gardens. The first Sunday on December 4th, learn to communicate with nature. Begin your sacred journey of communicating from your heart with nature. Get ready for a mind-expanding and heart-opening experience as you connect and communicate with the plant, mineral, and animal kingdoms of the planet. Learn to listen intuitively to nature's messages, no matter their distance and location. That's the beauty of telepathy. You will learn how to communicate with your own crystals, rocks, and potted plants back home. They too have questions for you. This is the program you've been waiting for. I have over a decade of experience in telepathic communication, and I would love to be your guide. Beyond Meditation is an incredible program, and it takes place on December 11. In the time we spend together, learn the art of connecting and listening to your own higher self. It's the high vibrating part of you who is always ready with divine guidance. Gain clarity in any area of your life and uncover the fears and limiting beliefs you need to release. There is so much to gain when communicating with your higher self. In this program, you will also learn how to channel messages from the higher collective consciousness of humanity. This is a very empowering workshop, and you don't want to miss it. And the last workshop for this year is A Return to Spirit, taking place on December 18th. This is a call to light workers and old souls to heal and get to work. The work is about raising your consciousness for the shift to the fifth dimension. In this 5-hour program, you will deep dive inwards to discover more about yourself, merge with your higher self, who is your future self. We will focus on 3 areas. 1. Cultivate your power from within, which is your connection to Source. 2. Eliminate karma and release your 3D personality. 3. Embody the 5D consciousness. Begin your powerful healing journey of ascension. These are the 4 events in December. They are in alignment with the 5th dimensional consciousness of love, understanding, and unity. Begin breaking down the walls of 3D illusions and moving toward the new frontier, a new beginning on the new 5D earth. These are exciting times. All links to register for each event and details on the private tutorials are found in the description box below. I wish for everyone all the blessings of life. I'm Oribel, the New Lemurian.